Awesome. All right, so Cognomotiv, we are in business of detecting and predicting faults, failures, malfunctions, misbehaviors. That's what we do. We are focusing on safety, security, we detect bad things. Name is Hadi Nahari. I'm founder and CEO of company. And as you guys know, vehicle is a massively complex system. This is the most complex IoT that humanity has created in a scale. And this thing is really the epitome of all of the technologies that you have in your hands, in your pocket, everything. And this is a complex system, and as you know, complex systems fail. And their failure surface is larger. This is the grenade that Sven mentioned with 720 kilojoules. That's stuck in my head. And the failure, just give you an idea, is we count failures based on a line of code. So this is, as I mentioned to you, those who have seen my presentation in the past, is Space Shuttle as a reference has 400,000 lines of code. One of the most popular vehicles in the world has got roughly 150 million lines of code. And the problem is this guy. This is your full autonomous level 5 vehicle, which has got roughly 350, 370 million lines of code. And with that, we know that with this rate of complexity, the rate of failure, software failure, sensor failure, bad decision making on the AI, problems with the hardware, all of that increases. The fact that each one of these components are really reliable, tested individually, means nothing to when they are put together and they're in a vehicle. So with this kind of failure, question is, what happens with this grenade? Starts having a failure, starts having a problem. What failed? Who was responsible? And what is the right thing to do? That is what Cognomotiv does. A couple of things to remember. $45 billion, these failures are expensive. $45 billion is not a forecast. It's the cost of warranty spending today and by automotive vendors. This is what they spend on coverage of the warranty. More than half of it's software and high-tech related. That portion is increasing. More than half of recalls, and I've taken out Takata out of this, are based on failures. And one OEM released more than what they recalled. The solution for that is Automotive Grade APM, Application Performance Management. We take the data out of the vehicle. Inside the vehicle, at the level of Raspberry Pi, we generate a health score. We provide faults and failures, effectively giving diagnosis, prognosis, remediation, recommendation with only less than 15,000 lines of code. And we turn data into what we call bacon. We have a data network effect. We perform distributed learning, federated training, making sure every single vehicle is participating in making all the other vehicles healthy and better. Our value prop is providing runtime health monitoring service for all of the vehicle, not just one system, the entirety of the system. We are B2B. Our customers are OEs and tier ones and anyone who has complexities with the vehicle. And our value prop is adding safety and security and detecting problems in the systems. Core market is automotive, but definitely we are expanding. We already have paying pilots in other markets. Any robot that has got more than 3 million lines of code, anything that you care about as failure is our market. Landing down, we have paid pilots, and we are very actively doing our Series A. I don't have a chance to go back. We are $5.2 million booking this year, and happy to talk to you and explain how the technology works, and we'd love to chat with you if you're interested in detecting what's problems in your system. Thank you.